few days ago, OpenAI announced that ChatGPT is launching on Chrome extension. Does ChatGPT intend to compete with Google on their own product? In this video, I will show you how to set up ChatGPT as your default search engine. First, go to OpenAI's website. Once you're there, then click on Download Extension. This will redirect you to the Chrome Web Store, where you'll find ChatGPT Search. Next, click on Add to Chrome. A pop-up will appear prompting you to add ChatGPT Search. Click on Add Extension, and the extension will download and install itself. Now, when you open a new tab and perform a search, such as what is ChatGPT, it will direct you to ChatGPT, making it your default search engine on Chrome. If ChatGPT provides all the information you need, what about link results? You can actually ask ChatGPT to provide you with links to all the relevant information from its responses. If at any point you decide you no longer want ChatGPT as your search engine, here's how to undo it. Go to your Chrome extensions icon, locate ChatGPT, and select Remove. Alternatively, go to Manage Extensions. On the ChatGPT card, click on Details, then scroll down and disable Automatically Allow access to the following sites. This action will restore Google as your default search engine. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to more ChatGPT content.